So before I share the story and the videos with you, I need to explain what this word means so that we understand each other. Ndichakutaurira news dzacho and pandichakuratidza video, because I know this word might vex other people. So the word I'm going to explain is a permanent stay of prosecution. It is a legal order that stops a criminal trial or prosecution indefinitely. It is typically granted when the court determines that continuing with the prosecution would be unfair, unjust, or impossible due to reasons such as severe ill health, if the accused is immediately unfit to stand trial. Lack of evidence, if there is insufficient of evidence to proceed with the case, and abuse of process if the prosecution is deemed unfair or oppressive. So in essence, it permanently halts legal proceedings against the accused, meaning they will not face trial for the charges in question unless the order is reversed. So after saying all that, Mary Mbaiwa's application for permanent stay of prosecution was dismissed. Mary Mbaiwa, the ex-wife of Zimbabwean Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, has had her application for a permanent stay of prosecution dismissed by the Harare Magistrate Court. Mbaiwa, who sought to halt her trial on medical grounds, received a setback as the court ruled against her plea. Her lawyer Beatrice Mtetwa expressed frustration with the decision, stating, "It's logic that I cannot understand in apparent criticism of the court's reasoning." So, Mbaiwa has faced the numerous legal battles, and this latest ruling adds to her ongoing challenges. Let me share what the people are saying on Twitter concerning this issue right after you see the videos of Beatrice Mtetwa, Mary's lawyer, and we'll discuss what the people were saying on Twitter. Thank you. Watch the following video.
That there have been delays from the time that the trial commenced. She ruled that she cannot revisit delays before the trial. She says Mary is responsible for the delay because she's the one who was sick and was being remanded in hospital. It is logic that I simply cannot understand. It's admitted she was sick. She admits in a ruling that she was in hospital. So how it can be said that she is to blame for the delay beats me. That section requires her to look at whether or not there has been a delay. She has accepted that there was a delay. So for her to then rule that that delay was caused by her when she accepts she was sick doesn't make sense. She has made no comment whatsoever on whether or not her being sick and in hospital and having the delay is prejudicial to her. The section requires her to look at whether she has been prejudiced. It also requires her to look at whether the administration of justice is prejudiced. She said nothing about that. It also.
So I think mangozinzirawo na Beatrice Mtetwa zvangachitaura futi. So this is what people were saying on the comment section on Twitter. Chirando said Beatrice should do justice to Mary and tell her the truth and stop showing her man. So this guy is just saying Beatrice amfara ngomudza zviri paground kuti hatina chatiri kuwina apa pomira kungodya mari ya Mary Chiwenga. This is what Chirando thinks. So Danny M. Abad, the judiciary will have to be cleaned out and fumigated. So Danny is just saying kuti kana tikachinja government judiciary yedu yemuzimbabwe inofanira kucleanwa yese, munhu wese arimo to be stripped out and fumigated, totangisa patsva nevanhu vakachena. What do you think about that? Amanda Sigoza pindura abva ati, if we liked Chiwenga and did not dislike him like we do, would this feel like an injustice or justice that Mary faced the full extent of the law for the charges against her? Uyu hanzi uyu arongobvunzawo mubvunzo waari kubvunza panapa amene kuti munoutaurawo sei. And then mutu akazisei Chiwenga is unleashing Gukura Hunde on his wife. Yo, this is deep now. So this guy is just saying zvakangoitika Gukura Hunde zviya zvamuziva ndo zvaari kuita pamudzimai wake, because they were married this. And then Stuart ndobva ati, is Mtoita representing her for free? So this one is asking kuti Mtoita ari kumirira mahara here kana kuti ari kubhadharwa pesa apa? Tell us what you think. Tell us what you think in the comment section. Vanoone mari kava zvekudaro. Handifunge kuti zvese zvakatorwa. Kanzi naNdotana iye kwaina am Ndotana, this is a very devilish man. What sort of evil is this? So this guy is asking, munhu unosvika pakudai so munhu uchija kuipa kwakadii, kuipa rudzii. Munashe Chiyadzwa ndobva ati, Mary evicted mainini vangu mukomboni yeAdda farm Sembwa when she and her husband took the farm because it's close to town. Vaida kuriita wedding venue and other stuff. Kukandira vanhu zvino muroad and she loved. And ikanzire tsitsi, if she has repented ngaadzosere zvaakaba. So ndeimwe nyaya yatiri kutoona kaivano kuti kufamu yeAdda kwakabviswa vanhu naivo vana Mary vachiri mumasimba. So uyu ari kuti handimuhwiri tsitsi. Tell us what you think. And then Ng'avane ndobva ati, you can tell these ZAN judges are being controlled from ZAN-PF headquarters. They are serving their masters. Beatrice is just helping her. She said it before that she isn't being paid by Mary because of her condition. She offered to assist under Mnangagwa. The constitution has just become useless. Alright, so answer yataiwana hasi kubhadhara mutetwa nyaya kuna Mary. Ndobvawo uyati kwanzi, if you try kundouraya ukandipotsa ndiwo unoenda. Alright. Ndo iri kutambwa nageneral iyi. Ukanzi namahole captured. The judiciary is captured zveshuwa, tinode kunyeperana. Uyo ndi privilege mfeso wangu, handinyatsogona kuverenga ndevele. Ukuzwisa ubuhlungu lokhu kanti vanjani abantu vezano. Zovisa tsitsi vakaita seiko vanhu vezano, handiti ndikorekte kana ndakanganisa ndo zvataura voyo. So yabva ati, the magistrate was not told to accept application, so until the big bosses with motorcades say yeah, let ye off the hook, they will continue. So varongotaura kuti magistrate aya anenge achingopiwa maorders kubva kuvakomana. Zvikanzi naJ, mama, sorry, I'm very sorry for language. I hope the others are watching to see that life easily changes. She was part of the system. We are so far kuti she deserve it. I mean, tell us what you think, vanamai. Ukanzi naTonde, instead of permanent stay, why not ask for fast quick trial, then if convicted ask for lenience? Ndo zvitaurawo neuyu kuti pane kuda kukumbira kusatongwa kuti nyaya ipere, wadi wangokumbira kuti mutongo wacho ungoitwa fast wobva wakumbira uregerero. Zvikanzi naBenesera, don't expect justice from magistrate court, escalate the matter to high court, at least there is some semblance of judicial independence there. Serious, I didn't know that zvangu muZimbabwe, but ndo zviri kutaurwa panapa. So Greg Kyle arutobvunza, hanzi do they have kids together? Todze hanzi do they have kids together? And kana une munhu wakaita vana naye haungambomudai. Kanzi, and people say we should be sympathetic with the ZAN supporters. Yeah, gaya iyo level racho. zvikanzi naMr Kasongo Mary needs to change a lawyer, but manje uyo akati ari kumuitira mahara one to odi zvikanzi naClau in the list it's disingenuous, and in the West it is criminal or for Beatrice, an officer of law, to come here matchstick to and patrol in hand with the aim of targeting people's emotions so as to create influence and draw wildfire misinformed reactions. Yeah, vanhu vanongotaura zvavanoda, vanotaura zvavanoda sure. So tell us what you think. This is a very controversial story. Tell us what you think in the comment section about this story. Do you really think Chiwenga must be the next president of Zim? I mean, tell me. See you on the next one.